In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook Calendar on web. By the end, your Google Calendar events will appear in Outlook on the web so you can see everything in one place. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser and signing into the account that holds the calendar you want to sync. On the left side, look for My Calendars. Find the specific calendar you want to bring into Outlook. Hover your mouse over its name to reveal a small menu, then click the three dots beside the calendar. From that menu, choose Settings and Sharing to open the detailed settings for that calendar. In the Settings page, scroll until you see the section called Integrate Calendar. Here, look for the secret address in iCal format. This is a private link that lets other apps like Outlook read your calendar. Click to copy that secret address. Keep this link confidential because anyone who has it can view your calendar details. If you see a prompt reminding you to keep it private, go ahead and click OK to confirm. Now switch over to Outlook Calendar on the web and sign in. In the calendar view, select Add Calendar to open the Add panel. From the options, choose Subscribe from Web. This tells Outlook you're bringing in a calendar feed from another service. Paste the iCal address you copied from Google into the URL field. Next, give the calendar a clear name so you can identify it at a glance, especially if you manage multiple calendars. Choose a color that helps it stand out from your other calendars. Color coding is a simple way to keep personal, work, and shared schedule as this what is visually distinct. When you're ready, click Import. Outlook will subscribe to the Google Calendar feed and start pulling in your events. You should see your events appear shortly. Keep in mind, this is a subscription to a read-only feed. That means you'll view the events in Outlook, but edits should be made in Google Calendar. Those changes will sync back to Outlook automatically. Depending on server refresh times, it may take several minutes for updates to appear. If you ever stop seeing updates, double check that the iCal link hasn't changed and that the calendar in Outlook remains selected. You can also adjust or remove the subscription later from Outlook's calendar settings without affecting your original Google Calendar. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Google Calendar to Outlook on the web, keeping your schedule visible where you need it while maintaining your edits at the source.